saw, we kind of made a couple loops there. We were a little off the route, so we had to figure it out. But it looks like Dexter's made a friend in front of us here in this Cadillac. Four-door Mafia, baby. Over there about to race. Anyway, a little confused this morning trying to get our group here together. We've got a mixture of opinions on how to lead a group, I think. But anyway, we're on the way to Hoover, Alabama, where I'm sure it's going to be hotter than hell. We left an hour early, but we're about 30 minutes behind now where we chased our tail. But we're about 20 minutes up the route, so it won't be too bad. Anyway, we're on the way to Hoover. Well, we were going to stop for a bathroom there. The car's going to stop. But we're in the middle of somewhere, and in typical power tour fashion, there wasn't a bathroom. So, back on the road again. C8 comes up beside us. I don't like those stripes.
You like stripes? Ooh, I like that.
Alright, onward to Alabama. Now we're fuel stopped and bathroom stopped. A little better than the last place. Pretty close to the Alabama line. Aerial plane. Making good progress. Rocking along. Ice the cooler down. Flamingo's still on board. Bathroom break, but they got it going, so they're just a minute behind us. Pretty easy travel, a rough ride in the last little bit on Alabama Road. So yeah, we're here. It's 96 degrees on the outside. It doesn't feel that hot, but it's definitely going to be a scorcher, so we probably won't hang out too long. I'd bring out a little bit more stuff we did the last 2 days. We'll see how it goes. What was the name of the t-shirt people that used to do this?
Green Mountain Mile.
We miss them. We miss you, Green whatever mile or whatever it was.
Green Mountain something.
Green, please come back. This stuff sucks. I ain't gonna lie, I could get down with a Supra. Cool to see Toyota bringing out big displays. Even though Chevrolet doesn't anymore. See a foreign company big into motorsports and supporting the tour. People don't realize the cost of being a vendor here. Just the pure cost, not to mention the logistics of it. Hauling all this stuff out. Heard one of these Supras go by last night or not before at the gas station. Kind of wicked. Just hooked up with the guys from Auto Bio at their booth down there. Pretty cool deal. You scan this QR code and it tells you put a sticker on your car and it tells the story of your car. Real cool, actually. Actually, the If you watched last night's video, that bombshell truck, I actually scanned the QR code to figure that out. So linked up with them. We're going to do a deal, and we're going to have these on every 828 Adrenaline Flunky car we got. So it's going to be pretty sweet. And that sucks. Wow. Look at this thing. LS in it. Holy crap. This one's near and dear to my heart. Early F1, 49. Oh yeah. Right color too. Maybe you'll see mine on the channel soon. Maybe not, who knows. Walking by this one, I had to take a double take. Malibu, not SS, which is cool. LS air, big brakes, all the good stuff. You don't have to build an SS. about that 4-door life. LTD, G8, G8, SS, G8, LTD. More 4 doors anywhere? No. Ooh, that's a GXP.
I know a lot of people got it. Nobody got it.
So as we head to dinner tonight, this is my second stop in Hoover. We were here back, we were back here in 18, I think, staying almost at the same place.
We're good staying on this lane because they're good. Just kidding.
Oh, no, we gotta get over it. Just kidding.
But you got another red line.
Anyway, this stretch of road right here, and this Hooters right here, I'm gonna tell a story for preface another story. My buddy Terry Wideman from Alabama met us down here, and we were staying at Quality Inn up here, and there might have been a few alcoholic beverages involved, I don't know. And he had his Celine S351. Well, everybody's walking to dinner, because again, there was lots of cold brews. And he's like, well, I'm driving. Yeah, he was going home afterwards. Anybody want to ride? Hell yeah, I'll ride. I'm gonna ride in that car. So we pull out from up there about where the Cracker Barrel is, headed to Hooters. And we're running as fast as we can get when we get to Hooters. And I'm like, it's right there. So then not only did I get to feel the acceleration of the S351, but I got to feel the braking as he stands it on his nose, throws it in reverse, all in one motion, does a burnout backwards, and whoops us into Hooters. So I say that all leading up to, I want to thank Terry for the Alabama welcome today. We didn't get it on GoPro because our battery died about the time we went by, but I do have a picture somebody took, thank goodness. He put up a sign, as y'all know, we do ponies in the Smokies. So here's his sign he put up. I'll put it up on the screen. So he was gone fishing, unfortunately, in Louisiana or somewhere, I don't know. Couldn't be here, poor planning on his part, I know. But thank you, Terry, for the Alabama welcome. We do appreciate it. All right, well, we just got back from dinner. And for the first time of the week, it looks like it's gonna rain. Off in the distance anyway. Up here it thunders. Pretty nice little parking lot stuff. Ooh, that's a real LT1 car. I'm digging it. Appears to be anyway. Without further inspection. Yeah. 330 horse, must be a 72, I think. I like that. Got the Flamingo Express. Can't remember, I might have walked y'all around here earlier. Corvette. Late model Camaro. Couple more Vettes. This red G8 is wicked. And then GXP over there. Uh-oh, looks like we already had some shenanigans in the parking lot. We must have missed that. So yeah, we're gonna get crazy again here a little bit. We'll see. If it does, we'll bring the action. If not, we're heading up for the night. And it's cold in Florida in the morning. So unless I come back with a burnout, that'll be pretty.